Go High Level Wizard here, and now I'm going to be doing an in-depth tutorial on custom values inside of Go High Level. So stay tuned because I get a lot of questions on this, and I'm going to make sure you understand what it is by the end of this video and how to use it because it's an awesome feature in High Level. Before we jump in though, go right down below, smash that subscribe button. If you have any questions at all, drop a comment down below. Let's jump right in. The first thing I want to do is explain and break down what custom values are. Custom values are placeholders for information like logo color or text. When you change the value, it updates everywhere used. Example, if you set a custom value for logo color to blue, it will automatically show blue wherever logo color, squiggly brackets, is used. Custom values can be applied to emails, text messages, landing pages, workflows, forms, websites, and a couple other places. All this is a piece of information. So you can just put these squiggly brackets, okay? You'll see right here, and I will demo this, don't worry. I'll put this one right here, and anytime I change this, as opposed to me having to go onto a website or form or across Go High Level and having to manually change the color, I would switch it in one place, and wherever this is on Go High Level, it will automatically change for you. So that way you're saving so much time as opposed to you going in and changing out the logo from every single place. You change it in one spot, which is the custom values, and boom, it changes across all of Go High Level. This is one of those things in High Level that is A, underutilized, and B, will save you so much time. You cannot call yourself a High Level pro if you do not understand custom values because they are huge. So I told you what custom values are, but now let me show you what custom values are. Big difference there. All right, so we're going to go High Level dashboard. We're going to go all the way down to settings, okay? And we're going to scroll all the way down till we find custom values and click it. This is what a custom value looks like. These little squiggly brackets. First, I want to demo and show you the power of it, and then we'll do a more advanced one. First things first, we're just going to play around with this right here. You see business phone, custom value, business phone, plus squigglies is this number right here. So we're going to copy this. You'll be brought to this, where you'll see right here, we're going to click paste. Boom. We now have the custom value right there. I'm going to break down how to make these in a second. I'm just going to show you why this is so cool and actually demo it so you get the idea a little better in your head. So we have it in one spot right here, and we're going to come all the way down right here, and we're going to click this right here. So it's in two places. Then we're going to click save. Check this out. We're going to preview this page so you can see. So on here, it's this custom value business phone. It's the number we have in our custom value. It's popping up right there, but over here, you don't see it. It's in two different spots, right here and then right here. Say we were to go on a website and we would have the number in a bunch of places, down on the footer, let's say over somewhere else, like all across the website, forms, email templates, everywhere. We could just come right into here and change this number and it will change across the board. So on websites, especially, there's numbers like this everywhere. And suppose you manually look at clicking it because they change your number, you do it in one spot and it does it everywhere. So check this out. We got this number right here, 764. Remember that? Check this out. We're going to click this right here. We're going to click edit custom value, and we're just going to do 1111-111-1111. We're going to click update. What we're going to do is we're going to come back here and we're going to view the page again. And look at that. 1111, 1111. I just did it in one spot. And it will go everywhere. If you were to come into the website, you can do this across the entire website. When you build websites, as opposed to you having to be like, put the number in, you create a custom value, change it once, and it changes everywhere. But we can go further. We can do images, numbers, calendars, everything. So check this out. Now I'm going to show you how to create a custom value. So you're going to come right into custom values. You're going to come right into new custom value, and it's going to be brought right here. So first you pick the name. As you see here, business email, it's the name of the thing. So what we're going to do is we're going to do picture of Zoe. Okay. That's going to be the picture of the hairstylist. So come right here. And then what we're going to do is we're going to enter said value. So what we want is a picture. So all the value is the thing that you want. So if this was a phone number, you would put the phone number in. The value is the thing itself. The value is the thing itself. So it's an email. You put the email in because Go High Level automatically creates the squiggly bracket custom value for you, but you have to put the value in to get it. So what we're going to do is we're going to come over here to the media storage, and we're going to go to this one right here, and we're just going to click get link. We're going to click get link. And what this is going to be is this is going to be the value. So we're going to create, okay? And again, this will create the value. We don't create the value. Go High Level creates the value. So what we're going to do is we're going to come all the way to page 3 because it's new. And we're going to go, so we're going to come right in here. We're going to go right to number 2. We're going to find it, picture of Zoe. Okay. We're going to just copy this. Remember, if we change the image, it'll always change. So we're going to come right in here and we're going to click this image right here. And we're just going to paste right where you put an image, the custom value. We're going to click save. Okay. And then we're going to click view. So remember the image there before? Now it's the image of her cutting hair. But check this out. Say we had this image across the entire website. What we could do is, as opposed to having to go in and manually change it, we say we want this to now be this picture. So we're going to get link. Okay. So look at this picture. You see it? We come right back in here. We click edit custom value. And then we click paste. We update it. Again, I'm being very slow and thorough so we understand this because I get a lot of questions on how this works. And then what we do is we click preview and boom. Obviously, I don't want that image. It's not sized properly, but you see the power of this because you could have images across every single page, okay, across the entire website. And all you have to do is put that one custom value in and it changes across. So now what you can think about is, okay, now that I understand custom values, what I could do is I could create these across everything. So paragraph text, about us text, anything, and it pops up. So again, new custom value. I'm just going to walk through this one more time. Let's just do home number, and we're just going to do 5, 4, 7, 8. We're just creating some random stuff, putting that in right here. And then we come over here. We're going to go back. We're going to see where this bad boy pops up. Home number. Right here, you copy this. See, it's, remember, again, like I said, GoHighLevel creates the custom value. You don't. Following? You just put it in this right here, and then it gives you these squiggly brackets. We copy this, come right in here. We're just going to slap this right here. Paste. Again, you never want this. I'm just showing you the example. Okay, we got the custom home number. We then view it. Boom, number right there. And we're like, okay, we don't want it to be the 54 whatever number. We're going to come right back in here to this bad boy. We're going to click edit custom value, and we're just going to do this number. Check this out. So now we come back here, we view it again, and check that out. So that's how you do custom values. And again, what I recommend you do is you go across GoHighLevel, and whenever you're building a website, a funnel, an SMS build, you know, whatever you're building, forms, anything that I just showed in that previous slide, you can apply these. Okay, at the beginning of the video, you put that in when you're building, because then you just make one change in the custom values and it changes across all of your sub account. So custom values are sub account wide. So this is your sub account. It will change across anywhere where you put this squiggly brackets thing. Amazing, super powerful, will save you a ton of time, but also really important for you to just have in place. So if you ever have to make changes for someone, you change a bunch of places, you look really good because it looks like you're doing a bunch of work. You save time, you get paid, everyone is happy because you're doing a good job. Other than that though, that's it guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. I have a 30-day free trial link down below, exclusive 30-day, not 14, 30 free days where you get access to me, private community, snapshots, trainings, partnership, potential clients, the whole 9 yards. You can check it out on my channel. It's the partnership where you will master high level. At the end of the video, I will also link a video talking about custom forms versus custom fields, because custom fields, as you see right here, are another topic that people get confused on. I have that video, so you can go check that out. But other than that, guys, thank you so much for watching. I look forward to seeing you in the partnership. And as always, GHL Wizard out.